Hello everyone! In today's video lesson, we will be learning the Earth and Life Science Module 2, focusing on Lesson 1, which is the origin and structure of the Earth, the subsystem. Earth is sometimes called the water planet or the blue planet because seas cover more than 2/3 of its surface. Earth is the only planet or moon in the solar system with rain that falls from clouds, runs over the land, and collects in extensive oceans. It is also the only body we know that supports life. Today, I am going to help you better understand the subsystems of the planet where you stand right now. So today, let us analyze and create general concept on the physical characteristics of the subsystem of the Earth. So what are the four subsystems of the Earth? First is the atmosphere. Second, the biosphere. Third, the geosphere. And lastly, the hydrosphere. So let's discuss this one by one. So here's the thing. Imagine walking along a rocky coast as a storm blows in from the sea. The wind whips the ocean into white caps and waves crash onto the shore. Before you have time to escape, blowing spray has soaked your clothes. A hard rain begins as you scrambled over the rocks to your car. During the adventure, you have observed the spheres of the Earth. So today, let us learn what is the four systems. Atmosphere. Atmosphere is the gaseous layer above the Earth's surface, primarily composed of 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. Other gases like argon, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, ozone, and other inert gases made the remaining 1%. The atmosphere supports life because animals and plants need both carbon dioxide and oxygen to survive. In addition, the atmosphere supports life indirectly by regulating climate. Air acts as both a blanket and a filter, retaining heat at night and shielding from direct solar radiation during the day. Biosphere. The zone of Earth where all forms of life exist, either in the sea, on land, and in water. It is sometimes called as the large ecosystem. This is the zone that life inhabits. Biosphere is a very thin layer of the Earth's surface. Geosphere, or the solid Earth, consisting of the entire planet from the center of the core up to the outer crust. It includes the core, mantle, and the crust of the Earth. Hydrosphere, the water part of the Earth which circulates among oceans, continents, glaciers, and atmosphere. Oceans cover 71% of the Earth and contain 97.5% of its water. Earth is a complex system made up of many smaller systems through which matter and energy are continuously cycled. Energy and matter flow through the Earth's spheres: the geosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and the biosphere. Energy flows through the atmosphere mostly by convection. So how does matter and energy flow across the four subsystems of the Earth? The Earth consists of four subsystems, across whose boundaries matter and energy flows. The atmosphere, which represents the air; the biosphere, which are the living things; the hydrosphere, which is the water; and the geosphere, which is the land. The atmosphere provides the geosphere with heat and energy needed for the rock breakdown and erosion. The biosphere receives gases, heat, and sunlight in a form of energy from the atmosphere. It receives water from the hydrosphere and a living medium from the geosphere. I hope that you learned something in my discussion. See you in my next video lesson.